Pakistan will send 19 aircraft for air exercise in China. The Pakistan Air Force, PAF, will send 19 of its aircraft for a bilateral exercise in China, Shaheen VI. This will be the PAF's largest force detachment to date. The news was disclosed by Pakistan's defense attaché to China Brig, Gen. Ahmed Bilal to the China Global Television Network, CGTN. Following Shaheen VI Brig, Ahmed Bilal told CGTN that Pakistan and China will conduct a series of bilateral defense exercises between their respective navies and armies. Collectively, these exercises will take place for approximately 10 weeks and will involve hundreds of personnel. Pakistan regularly attends bilateral and multilateral air exercises. In fact, 2016 was one of its busy periods, in that the PAF sent its F-16s to Anatolian Eagle and Red Flag in Turkey and the US, respectively. The PAF also held its marquee exercise, Tempest 2, to execute newly conceptualized warfighting concepts. Shaheen is an annually held bilateral exercise that rotates hosting between China and Pakistan. This iteration of the exercise will involve the PAF's largest detachment for activities on foreign soil. It is likely that the JF-17 will form the backbone of this detachment, which may include special mission and support aircraft as well, such as the Karakoram Eagle Airborne Early Warning and Control (AEW&C) aircraft. In previous iterations of the Shaheen exercise, the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAF) had used its Chengdu J-10A, Shenyang J-11 and Sukhoi Su-27 Su-30, Shenyang J-8 and Xi'an J-H-7s. In China at least, the PLAF also used its AEW&C aircraft, such as the KJ-200. The PAF has traditionally flown its JF-17, F-7 and Mirage Pre-5 in multiple variants.